Jimmy and Tam have the smallest living and dining space to work with, an issue which was exacerbated this time last week when they were planning their kitchen.
So this is where the kitchen was supposed to end, along with this post. So we had the biggest hallway possible. And the kitchen that has been designed protrudes 700 mil into our hallway, reducing our hallway from 2 metres wide to 1,300 mil wide. There.
Extending their kitchen into the hallway has compromised the space for furniture in their living and dining.
Depth on the fireplace is 402, so we probably need to go 600 mil.
600 mil for your fire?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jimmy, that's ridiculous.
What?
Look at the room we're working with. It's not going to work. Where am I going to put a couch?
Back here. We have a substantially smaller space than every other house, so it's quite tough for us to sort of come up with a bit of a layout.
I got no room for anything.
I know it's not much space, but this is what we've got to work with.
So I wonder what secret weapon they're going to squeeze in this week, considering these rich kids have over 37 grand in their kitty to play with.
Jimmy, I don't think we should put a dining table in here. I think this should be all living.
Okay.
Hot off the press, Jimmy and Tam have decided to delete the dining space from their living dining. In its place will be a 50s-inspired brick fireplace with cosy armchairs and space for one lounge in front of the television.
Putting a dining table in here is going to cut it off massively, and we're not going to have anything to work with, and this is an entertaining house.
We've got the dining space at the end of our kitchen, so we're going to run with that as our dining space because there's going to be another dining space just outside the bifold doors.
You can eat out there, you can eat over there, you can go out there, there's a place out the front.
Yep.
Like, I just think it would be silly
To try and squeeze
something in here.
It could go either way. There's every chance the judges may love it as well because it's the way of the future. People aren't sitting down to dining tables.
No.
They're sitting down to dine, which we have that space for entertaining and stuff like that. But the whole formal dining is sort of, you know, and I mean, everyone we've spoken to says that just ends up as a storage table anyway. People just throw the on the dining room table.
Exactly.